government extends an invitation to Indian students to study in the country. Types of UK visa. Short-term study visa, designed for individuals pursuing English language courses. This visa allows study for up to 11 months. Student visa, formerly known as the Tier 4 General Student Visa. This category caters to those seeking higher education in the UK. Child Student Visa, specifically tailored for children aged 4 to 17 attending independent schools in the UK, formerly the Tier 4 Child Student Visa. UK Student Visa Application. UK Student Visa Processing Time. The processing time for a UK student visa varies, but it typically takes around 3 weeks. UK student visa requirements: enroll in an accredited full-time course, secure financial support, exhibit English proficiency, obtain parental consent for ages 16 to 17. UK student visa fee. Applying for a student visa from outside the UK incurs a fee of €363. Extending or switching to a student visa from within the UK requires a fee of €490. When to apply? 3 months before the commencement of your course. Document required for UK visa.